and Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lyle or over Naperville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, and Streamwood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 282 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 353 and 358. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 105. Interstate 94 between mile markers 30 and 66. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 5, and between mile markers 20 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 30 and 66. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Seatgick Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Harper College, Hawthorne Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wrigley Field, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KW.